Legends of Learning presents the Life Loops, the food web game. This is a science game that makes learning about food webs in an ecosystem fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, step into a world where everything is alive. You're a growing orb with the power to spark life, wake up animals, trigger food chains, and fix broken ecosystems. Watch creatures move, hunt, and grow as you restore energy. Keep the loop alive. The whole world is counting on you. Use the arrow keys to move and explore each ecosystem. Press space or up arrow to jump. Touch organisms in the correct order of the food chain to give them energy. Restore every link before the time runs out to keep the ecosystem alive. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.